Hey, how's it going? I been trying to finish this video out for a few days now. I've been getting sidetracked, but I added a vessel view to my tracker boat, and I didn't think about doing an intro until I was fixing to actually install the part. So I kind of slowed down and I installed the part, took some photos, took some video. And so I'm basically making the front half of the video on the back end of the project. So I have a 2016 model Tracker 175 with a Mercury 75 horse. And like I said, I put VesselView Mobile on it. It was really easy to connect. Directions were simple. The hardest part was finding the port where it plugged in into the wiring harness. So I will try to get this video chopped up and edited today and get her on the YouTube. So if you like the video, as always, hit the like button, subscribe if you're not. It helps me out, the video out more. So thanks guys, have a good one. So this is what your cable looks like when you take it out of the package. You'll have two ends. One is a female side, and this is the jump cap that you'll take off. You disconnect the yellow connector and you plug this port into it. So the connection on the 75 horse is actually in the front. You have to remove the cover here and the cover here. They just pop off, little rubber garments on these studs. But your connector, your resistor terminator is right here, so you'll have to unplug that to plug in your harness. So I just disconnected my yellow, and this is the connector that goes back in that slot. Listen for the click, and this, your terminator, goes back in here. It made a click. So now all I got left is all this wiring and your device, and I'll find a nice place to mount it away from heat. Alright, so I'm going to turn the key on and get this thing linked up. Unfortunately, I don't have my other camera with me to record while I use the phone, but I'll take screenshots and add it to the video. Alright, so I just did my first initial connection with my VesselView Mobile. I was able to pull my hours, fuel ratio, fuel mileage, some other stats. I can't remember. It's the first time I ever used it, but I'll have a screenshot up there for you. Currently, right now, my boat's a 2016 with the Mercury 75, and it shows I have 91.8 hours, and it shows 8 hours until my next scheduled maintenance. So I'll have to look in the book and see what's scheduled for 100 hours. I've already done a prop. Excuse me. I've already done the impeller. I didn't want to hit the 3-year mark, so I know that's good. I've done an oil change every spring, and my plugs, I'll probably change them this spring along with the oil again. Being a 4-stroke, it's like changing the oil in the car. You just loosen the drain, catch the old oil, close the drain, change the filter, add oil. That simple. So let me get all this button back up and we'll close out this video. Appreciate it.